Hey, what's up guys? Nuno here. Did you ever had this issue with Lumion leaves? I'm talking about this material for leaves where you can see all of these openings, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have here my Lumion project and I have here a plane. Okay, and if I go here and select the material, and now I'm going to various, and we have here one material that is called leaves. So this one is useful when you want to create some vegetation along the walls. And what happens is this: when you click, you can click any material of this, and you'll see that all of them have a lot of holes. Okay, so if I select the first one, you can see that this has a lot of holes. Okay, and I left here a person just for a size reference, because we could increase the leaf size to try to cover the best, but the leaves will be too big and it still has this problem that it's not completely covered. We can also increase the spread, all of this, but you see that nothing will fix completely this issue. Okay. So I'm just going to select again the material. So we reset this material and just going to quickly change the direction so you can see better. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this material, exactly the same material, copy. And now I'm going to paste here on this second plane that I have here. I'm going to paste the same material and look at the difference. It's almost fully covered without changing any of the settings. So one looks like this. I'm gonna even look from the bottom so you can see better. And the other one, it looks like this. So it's a huge difference, as you can see. And we didn't change any of the parameters. Of course, now if we go here and just increase a little bit the leaf size, okay, we're already trying to cover a little bit better, a little bit more the spread. So you see the huge difference that it makes. And why one plane it's like this and the other it's not. So I'm going to show you. This fix is done inside the modeling software. So I have here on mine, it's 3ds Max, but you will have to do this in any 3D software that you are modeling in. And so one, it's like this, simple plane. And another, I cut the geometry like this. So I have 4 sections. And here 5 sections. So the more sections, the better it will be. But I think for this case, a plane like this, it's enough, or else you will start creating a lot of geometry and you don't want that as well. So something like this, it's enough. And you can see that, again, in Lumion, that one with more geometry looks much better. I'm just going to copy again here the same settings. Okay, same settings as this one. As you can see, copy, and here paste. So it's night and day. One looks way better than the other. And if you still think that these holes are like this, you can still be a little bit creative. Like, for example, you could go here and let me see, we could select a grass material, for example. Let's say maybe, well, something like this. And then you go here to the foliage and here increase the spread, and the leaf type, let's leave it as the first one. The leaf size, let's increase, and increase here the spread to cover all the wall. Okay, and you could say here that you want just from a certain level. Okay, but I'm gonna leave it all the way. And now you have 0 holes in your material. And just for comparison, let's again now copy this same material to here. Okay, you could also go like this, but the problem here is that you can see here that it still has this, you can still see a lot of this material, but now of course it's covered with this material on the bottom. But here you can see that it's almost fully covered. So it looks better like this, and in terms of geometry, it's not much difference. So I recommend using this solution with the geometry divided like this. And for a final touch, you can also mix and match with other vegetation assets. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you did, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I would like to remind you that you can sign up to my free training, my top 10 secrets to achieve realistic results with your 3D renders. I'll leave a link in the top right corner and also in the description below this video. And I'll see you in the next one.